This is Russian radio traffic to an Air Force pilot on a bombing mission over Syria. But these coordinates aren't for a military target. They point to this underground hospital. Moments later, the pilot bombs it.
طبعا اللحظة أنا مش فاحص جراحي نضل حياة الجراحي.
Nabad al-Hayat is one of more than 50 healthcare facilities bombed in Syria since April. As President Bashar al-Assad seeks to retake the last pocket of opposition with a ferocious onslaught of air power. Observers have long suspected that Russia bombs hospitals, but no one has been able to prove it. Until now. The Times has assembled a large body of evidence from multiple sources that directly implicates Russia in 4 hospital attacks in just 12 hours. One day that's a microcosm of how healthcare has been crippled in parts of Syria.